It's a virus that cares little about one station in life, affecting over 270 million people globally while accounting for over 5 million deaths. And many world leaders from the Americas through Africa to Asia have been unable to escape its trajectory. The UK's Prime Minister Boris Johnson contracted the virus in March last year. That was before vaccines were available and was eventually hospitalised, spending 3 nights in ICU.
I've today left hospital after a week in which the NHS has saved my life, no question. It's hard to find words to express my debt. In the last 7 days, I have, of course, seen the pressure that the NHS is under. I've seen the personal courage, not just of the doctors and nurses, but of everyone, the cleaners, the cooks, the healthcare workers of every description, physios, radiographers, pharmacists, who've kept coming to work, kept putting themselves in harm's way, kept risking this deadly virus.
Britain's Prince Charles tested positive in March last year. Russia's Prime Minister Mikhail Mishustin tested positive in April, followed by the leaders of Honduras, Bolivia and Brazil, whose president remains a vocal vaccine skeptic.
I started feeling unwell on Sunday, and that feeling worsened during the day on Monday, with malaise, tiredness, a bit of muscle pain, and a fever that reached 38 degrees Celsius in the late afternoon.
In October 2020, he'd be joined by former US President Donald Trump, who confirmed a positive COVID diagnosis. Getting so sick, he was forced to spend 4 days in hospital.
I just left Walter Reed Medical Center, and it's really something very special. The doctors, the nurses, the first responders, and I learned so much about coronavirus. And one thing that's for certain, don't let it dominate you. Don't be afraid of it. You're going to beat it. We have the best medical equipment. We have the best medicines, all developed recently. And you're going to beat it. I didn't feel so good. And 2 days ago, I could have left 2 days ago. 2 days ago, I felt great, like better than I have in a long time.
Eswatini's late Prime Minister Ambrose Dlamini tested positive in November last year, succumbing to complications in December. France's Emmanuel Macron was forced into isolation after a positive test in December 2020, while UN Chief Antonio Guterres isolated for 2 days last week after coming into contact with a positive staff member.
Just to confirm that the Secretary General had come into contact with someone who is tested positive for COVID-19. He has shown no symptoms and was tested negative yesterday afternoon. Out of an abundance of caution, he's canceled all of his engagements for today and is working from home until he's tested again.
The South African presidency sharing in a statement that the fully vaccinated President Ramaphosa remained in good spirits and continued to present mild symptoms. World Health Organization Director General Dr. Tedros Ghebreyesus tweeting his regret while wishing his brother a swift recovery. Sherman Bryce-Pease, SABC News, New York.